Hey guys, for this video we're going to take a look at this 3-piece Stubby ratcheting fixed blade screwdriver set by GEARDRIVE. Now the stubbies are about 4 inches long. You get a Phillips number 2. You see the markings on the back. It's like a paint or something on there. It's not a sticker. Seems to stay on pretty well, at least for now. You get a 3/16 straight blade, again marked on the back, and the number 20 Torx. And you can see this collar is how you shift it. Middle is locked. Notice you have a little bit of play in the shaft in the locked position. Not bad, but there's a little bit of play there. So, have like a tape measure like this. Want to take those screws out. Quick and easy. I like a stubby. You can get over the top of it. A little bit more comfortable ratcheting action than a traditional long handle ratcheting screwdriver. There you have it, 3-piece Stubby ratcheting screwdriver set by GEARDRIVE.